Hi my dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. This time my inspiration is my little sweet dog. Fluffy friend who fills my heart and days with so much love. So I decided to make a clay version of him. In my last video, I painted a girl with flowers using alcohol ink pens, and I loved the result so much that I wanted to try them again. These pens are so smooth to use. The lines flow so easily compared to acrylic paints. That's a big yes for me. I'm starting with the color that's something between brown, yellow or orange. It's warm and gentle, perfect for my little dog's fur. I paint the entire body layer by layer until it feels just right. My dear friend, let's paint with love, and every stroke carries a memory for us. Tiny details create the biggest joy. Now it's time for the fun part, the details. With the black liner, I softly add small lines here and there, bringing out his little paws, ears, and his fluffy tail. For his face, I use a fine liner to draw a tiny smiling mouth, just like how he looks when he's happy. And of course, I need to add small red cheeks to make him look extra cute as he is. There we go. Now we have 2 clay art pieces. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe.